Scared, ain't you? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? It's your guy, W.A.D.E here. Man, we just wrapped up a high dusting for a client that actually wants us to come on 7 nights a week. We're looking at trying to see what type of proposal we could put together to come in, and it's not that big of a place. About to do a measurement here in a second, but we want to come in and take care of it 7 nights a week. They did give us the opportunity to do a nice high dusting, and I think we killed it. We'll be back tomorrow just to make sure that everything is okay. A lot of times after a high dusting, I go back and check back in with the client. Too.
It ain't going up there. You can see all type of things flying around with this flash on.
You think I can get it from down there? Scared, ain't you?
Oh, dusty up there. This little dangly thing right here. He sound dumb. I said you just sound dumb. No, you do. That means you're really gonna die. Come on, this is slow motion. if mine die, then yours gonna die.